Are you a seller looking to sell and purchase another property? Did you know that you can leverage your equity when selling your home? That's right. I'm Allison Miller. One of the key benefits of becoming a homeowner is that you build equity in your home over time. So what is equity and how does it grow? According to Bankrate, and I quote, home equity is a portion of your home that's paid off. So in other words, it's the appraised value of your home minus the outstanding mortgage and loan balances. Chances are, if you've been in your home for a while, you've likely built up a decent amount of equity, and you may not even realize how much. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, roughly 30% of homeowners have over 50% equity in their home. Isn't that crazy? The equity you've built up can be used to finance a portion of your next home and put you in a stronger position with the purchase. If you're a homeowner considering selling, let's connect today so we can find out how much equity you have that we may leverage for your next move. As always, I'm Allison Miller, helping you bring it all together.